Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a very exciting video because I am gonna do a full face using $1 makeup. I have been hearing about this store, Shop Missy. I think I actually discovered it because one of you guys told me about it and you're like, they got $1 liquid lipsticks, you better check it out. And this was like maybe like a year and a half ago, and they have like totally expanded their selection. Like, whoa, like I bought so many things. I bought as many things as I possibly could have found to do like a whole full face. So I'm excited. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into the makeup look. First of all, don't mind my hair. My hair's looking a little, it's because I just washed my hair and my sister put it in like a little French braid. And I normally do that when I don't want to like iron or blow dry, like damage my hair. But anyways, that's not what we're talking about. This $1 makeup. That's how I feel. I bought so many things. By the way, I already put on this sheet mask. It's their A20 Hydrating Facial Sheet Mask. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. My face is not like extra crazy dewy. Like there's nothing special about it, but it got the job done. I have so many things here. Like, guys, I bought, like, you know me, you guys know highlighters are like my favorite things to buy. I bought so many things to possibly make me look shiny. I bought a BB cream in 2 shades because I didn't know which one my shade was. I bought a sponge, lashes, eyelid primer, like concealer, contour. I bought some blotting paper. I bought like 3 of these. I bought these guys. I don't know. I was just like, I need cotton squares. And I'm going to use them for like my, not my essence, my toner. Brow gel, lip and cheek tint. Like I did the damn thing. But anywho, I bought a sponge that I was really excited about. And I want to show this to you guys. Like, I can't wait. I need to show you right now. So this guy, look at this. This is damp already. I bought 2. And this one is completely dry. Look at that size difference. Size matters, y'all. It feels so like soft. Like I feel like I'm gonna like this. Like I can tell. So I want to try both primers. So on this side, I'm gonna do the AOA Wonder Skin Illuminating Primer. You know I love me illuminating primers. Like I love anything that makes my skin look radiant and dewy. It feels thick and it's crazy because when it came out, it was like watery. Oh, that looks better than the damn sheet mask. Look at that. Ooh. Now I'm going to do on this side of my face the AOA Studio Wonder. Why do I keep saying that? It's all going to be the same thing. It's all gonna be from AOA. The Wonder Skin Perfecting Blur Primer, and this has gold little like glitter in it, which I don't know how I feel about that because gold has literally no benefits for the skin. This is the pore blurring primer, and it's crazy because it feels super watery. Okay, so next up, I'm excited to try this because I was having like difficulty finding my shade in their foundations because they were all sold out. This is their Skin Perfecting Color Correcting BB Cream. Gives the face a luminous glow to eliminate dull skin for a brighter appearance. I got this in shade medium and light. I think I'm gonna mix them because I don't know which is my shade. This is light. Oh, medium looks like peachy. I don't expect a perfect color match because obviously it was really hard to color match myself online because a lot of them were sold out. This smells like cheap lipstick. You know that cheap lipstick, like toy lipstick smell? That's what it smells like. So this is like working much better than I thought it would work for $1. You know, because I feel like when I think of makeup that's like $1, I'm like, this is gonna be a hot mess. But it really is not. Like, I mean, so far, I really don't want to jinx it, please. For love. I love this. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed with the BB cream. So far, your girl loves the primers, your girl loves the BB cream. I am hoping everything else works out because if it does, y'all know I love a good sale. I love to save me some monies. So I will be buying all my stuff that I can, that I like, you know, not everything, but I'll be buying as much as I can from there that I do like. So I'm excited. I hope, you know, I hope everything keeps working out. Okay, so I bought, this is liquid lipstick, wrong one. I bought these two concealers, and I bought this one in the color Buff, and this is for, I'm gonna use this for contouring. And I bought this one, Porcelain, to use under my eyes, center of my face, and all that stuff. We're gonna see, I might have went off a little bit. Wow, this is thick. This dries super fast, guys, so if you use this, make sure that you know, just do bit by bit. And maybe you might want to use a lot less than I did. Whoa, this crease is so bad. I don't know, you guys, oh, you guys can't tell. Oh, do you see those lines? Oh my God, do you see that? Those are all creases. But now that we know that it dries super fast, I'm gonna just put a little bit and then go slowly. Yeah, these concealers, you're probably gonna wanna use a brush. Cause with the sponge, it kind of takes forever. I'm actually really excited to use this banana shade. Like, I love me a really good banana powder. This is their Perfect Finishing Pressed Powder that I'm like struggling to open. Oh, that looks so nice. Oh my God, what? Brows are important, and I'm looking forward to these guys. They posted a picture on their Instagram of like brow pencils and stuff, and so many people were like, when are you gonna restock this? When are you gonna restock this? And I commented, I was like, hey guys, who's tried this? Is this good? And so many people were like, yeah, it's bomb, it's bomb, it's bomb, it's bomb. And I was like, so I got them in 2 colors. I got them in, what colors? What doesn't say? I'm gonna go with dark brown. Dark brown looks like it is close. Right off the bat, this is not my favorite spoolie. I really love the Brow Wiz spoolie. Oh my God. I can't get into this like shape. And it's not just them. Like the ABH brow definer has that same shape and I hate it. I like when it's more like pointy. Now, I got brow gels. I got a tinted brow gel of like dark brown, and I got one that's clear. We're obviously going to use the clear one today because I already have product on my brows, and I used the darker brow pencil, so I don't want it to look crazy. I don't want to look like I have crazy dark brows. Oh wait, this is weird. Why are my brows turning white? Guys, what? I'm confusion. What's happening? Okay, I guess you gotta kind of do that. I don't know what's the point of it being on a little baby spoolie if little spoolie is not gonna do a good job at brushing them out. Why do I gotta go back in with another spoolie? Guys, like, I'm not kidding. Like, look at this. Okay, so this I'm a little concerned. I don't know. I don't even remember getting this specific palette. Like, I don't know. I don't normally go for these colors. So this, I don't know if they made a mistake. I made a mistake. I have no idea. Let's start using this. Let's go into this gray. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you know that like I go for warm shades all the time, like religiously. Okay, I'm gonna like deepen that up. I just stuck my nail in it. Great. I'm gonna go into this gray right here that I stuck my entire finger in, and I'm gonna just start packing it right over that light gray. These eyeshadows though, like, they feel like kids makeup. Okay, I feel like this looks like shit. Like, I'm just like looking at this and I'm just like, I'm trying to save this. And it's not that they're bad, it's just like they're not, you know, they're $1 eyeshadows, that's it. There's no, I have to cross my legs because this is just like, no entiendo, no comprendo why this is happening, pero bueno. It's $1 eyeshadow, like, I don't know. Oh my God, this is so patchy. Oh. Why? Okay, I just blended it out all over my eye and even put it on top of the gray to just try and save this entire thing because I don't even know, this is so bad. It's the best I can do right now. It's the best I can do. This looks crazy. Crazy. So I'm excited about this. Like, I'm really hoping that these work out. I'm gonna do one on each cheekbone. This is their baked highlighter in Snap, and this is their brand new. This is actually a new product, their Halo highlighter in Allure. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Luxie tapered highlighter brush to use it on this one. This would look really good on someone with cool skin tones, like cool undertones or like very fair skin. I'll probably just use this for like a brow bone highlight or an inner corner highlight. But as like my highlight, I feel like I have to diffuse this a bit for it to work. You see, now it looks a little better. Now on this side, I'm gonna use Snap. Yeah, you see gold highlights look better on me. They look a little more like natural. This one's really nice, actually. Let me see with a more like densely packed brush, because this is super fluffy. So maybe like one that's more dense, it'll look better. Okay, I'm trying it with this BH Cosmetics one. It's not that much more, like it looks like it's not picking up anything, but it's on the brush apparently. I like this highlighter, it's really nice. It's a little dry to the touch, but it looks pretty on my skin. Oh, I like that. Really nice. I'm gonna try this blush. I'm not gonna use this one because, you know, like, I don't want to. This is like a cheek and lip tint, but I already have like all of my face powdered, so I'm not gonna use that. This is their, okay, the plastic fell out and it kind of like crumbled a bit. This is their Lumi Radiant Blush in Ravish. Oh, that's super pink. That is very pink. It's cute. It's pinker, way pinker than what I like my blushes to be, but it's cute, it's not bad. I'm gonna use some lashes that they had in the style Scarlet. They kind of look like the Ardell Demi Wispies, but like not really. So I'm hoping they look pretty on. They look pretty. I feel like these lashes would look really pretty like cut up and then kind of placed randomly. I feel like they would look more like lash extensions. I'm gonna use this liquid lipstick in the color Faded. Let's see. I hope this works out because I like this color. It looks really pretty. But that gloss, I bought this gloss in the color Posh and it looks like I'm gonna love it. It's really thin and really streaky, so just keep that in mind. Pretty color. It's nice. I don't like it with this eye look. I feel like it's too like strong. I feel like it clashes, but I think it's a pretty color. You see how I got streaky? Color's pretty. Let me go in with a little gloss on top, see what happens. This has pink and green reflex in it that look beautiful. Oh my god. So final verdict. I love the BB cream. The concealer, I don't like it. I don't like the way it performed under my eye. It was drying. It dried super fast. It was hard to blend out. You know, it just left like little patches. But I did like it for the contouring. Just keep in mind it does dry out fast, so you're going to have to blend it out super quick. What else? I love the gloss. I think the gloss is amazing. I think the liquid lipstick is very thin, very streaky, but I mean, for $1, if you're cool with that, like, you know, whatever. The blush, I like it. I like the blush. I like the highlighters. I love the one that Snap. I don't like Allure because it's icy on me. It's like too silvery. This one is like, I know it might look similar in the camera, but this one I like more. This one is Snap. The eyeshadow, no, absolutely not. The lashes, I do like them. I think they're really pretty. They look really cute. What do you guys think? The liquid eyeshadow, I like it. Like, I like how the eyeshadow turned out. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look horrible, but the liquid eyeshadow took forever to dry, forever to dry. But I just don't like the eyeshadows. Like, I don't like the colors, I don't like the way it blends, I don't like any of that stuff. The brow products, love. It was kind of weird that the clear one was white and then I had to kind of like brush it through, but like I said, and I'm gonna say it a bunch of times, for $1 I'm kind of okay with that, as long as, you know, everything else works fine. But other than that, I think I got everything. These guys, I'm gonna find out like later if I like them with my toner. I'll put them in the description box below. I'm gonna see if I like these guys. Remember, my face is like normal dry, so I don't know what this is gonna pick up, but I got them because of my trip this weekend. I'm gonna be out in the humid sun. I love the sponge. Love the sponge. I think the sponge is so great. Super soft. It gets so big when you dampen it with water, and it's $1. I'm gonna buy a bunch of these. Seriously, like this is so soft. But yeah, and the primers. I love the primers. I think the primers are great. The blurring primer, you know, blurred a little bit, but whatever. And then the illuminating primer, I loved it. I think it was really great. But yeah, I think that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Did you guys like this type of video? Do you want me to do more of these types of videos, like trying out different things or trying out like gimmicky things? Just let me know in the comments below. Have you guys tried out any of these products? Like, let me know. Talk to me in the comments. I'll be there. I'll be responding. So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.